Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, September 4th. I'm James Spann. A cold front passes through, mostly in dry fashion this evening. Humidity values come down tomorrow. A nice day as we start the Labor Day weekend. In the eastern Atlantic is active in the tropics. So let's talk about all of this. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country this afternoon. Got a big upper high. Big old heat bubble over the western states. Troughing north of the state, that's pushing a surface boundary through here. And on that boundary, we have a few showers and storms. There's the visible satellite view. Most of the state is sunny and hot. But again, that front creeping into the northwestern corner of the state. There's the radar composite, showers along the front from eastern Kentucky down through the Shoals area in northwest Alabama. And again, the better chance of showers this evening over the Tennessee Valley of extreme north Alabama. Most of the state will be dry with that front. Temperatures are mostly in the low 90s. We've got some mid-90s on the western side of the state. How about Tuscaloosa, 94, Utah, 95, but highs tomorrow come back down in the 80s following that front coming through here tonight. But up north behind the front, very refreshing 60s and 70s around the Great Lakes. Feels awfully nice there, but in the west, heat levels are building with the upper high where they've got excessive heat warnings in effect there. Red flag warnings, much of Wyoming and Montana, and the east is quiet today. Little marginal risk of severe storms around Washington, D.C. and Baltimore through the evening hours, otherwise pretty quiet. Tomorrow, a risk of severe storms, parts of southern Minnesota and Iowa. And on day 3, which is Sunday, a marginal risk from Des Moines over to Detroit. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The west is dry, and really not that much here. Rain amounts under 1/4 of an inch if this verifies, but again, we do expect to see an increase in shower activity by the middle of next week in advance of the next front. Tropical weather. The Gulf of Mexico, nice and quiet for the Labor Day weekend. The focus is out there in the eastern Atlantic. This is the 5-day outlook. 3 waves. You've got one with a low chance of developing, one with a medium chance, one with a high chance. And they're just too far out there to worry about now. Just something we'll watch in coming days. Again, the Gulf is nice and quiet. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. That's a 6,000-meter upper high over Nevada and Utah. Ouch. That's hot. But troughing north of the state, and again, a really refreshing air mass dropping in here tomorrow. Sunny, highs mid to upper 80s. Dew points drop in the 50s, so the humidity will be much lower. Sunday, we start the day down in the low and mid-60s. Little touch of fall there. The high Sunday in the upper 80s. A good deal of sunshine. Maybe a shower for parts of east or southeast Alabama. Most of the state will stay dry. And the same thing Monday. Maybe a shower south and east of Birmingham. Most of the state rain-free. The high Monday, mid to upper 80s. Tuesday, moisture deepens. And look at the snow out there in Colorado and in Wyoming. Yeah, buddy. They're going to go from 90s on Monday to snow on Tuesday, which happens from time to time in September out there. Begin for us a chance of scattered showers on Tuesday. The high should be in the 80s. We'll maintain the chance of showers Wednesday and Thursday. And here's a week from today, Friday the 11th. There's that long-awaited trough. The axis, again, it's been trending west on the models. In the front, kind of coming through the middle of Alabama. And it'll slowly push in here, but it's going to take a little longer with the upper air configuration. We'll go out 10 days. This is Monday the 14th. Upper high still back in the west, broad trough in the east, and that looks pretty nice. Pretty refreshing air mass dropping in here. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean, 2 to 2.5 inches. Numbers come way up in about a week. Highs dropping next week into the low 80s. Again, lows in the 60s. We were hoping we get some 50s in here toward the end of next week, but again, that's being delayed a bit with the trough axis so far to the west. Brand new CPC outlook just in. September 12th through the 18th. Temperatures at or maybe a little below average here during that time frame. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video here, Monday morning at 7 o'clock. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.